Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the FPGA Division 10 Solution for Analysis. Okay, so first things, let's take a look at the system block from previous video. So this is a system block. For some situation, the B will be fixed number. Okay, the B will be fixed number. For example, we will fix the B at 3. So let's think about how about the A divided by 3. How we calculate for the FPGA for the solution 4. Okay. So the first things are we will time A with the 1024. And also we will times 3 with 1024. Okay, we time both of them. Okay, so next step we do a little bit of change. We change like this. We change this part as divided. So we divided the 3 first, and then we divided the 1024. Okay. Next, we will still change the function. We change it like this. We calculate the 1024 divided by 3 first, and then times A, and then divided 1024. Okay. So next step, we will get the result, get the calculation, do the calculation for this part. It will be like this: 341. Okay, 341. So next step, we will change the 341 like this. The 341 equal to 256 plus 64 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. Okay. Okay. So why we change this number like this? The purpose is we want to change this number into this format. Okay, we want to change into this format. Okay, this is exponent format. Okay, the radix is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, if we change into this format, we can easily calculate the result. So if the A times this number, we only need to shift A to the left for 8B. If A times this number, we only need to shift A to the left for 6B. For this one is shift 4B. For this one is shift 2B. Okay, so this one no need to shift. And for this one, we only shift to the right for 10B. Okay, shift to the right for 10B. So by this way, we convert the division into the shift. Okay, so shift B for the FPGA is very easy. It's very easy. Okay, so this is the whole idea for the solution 4. Okay, this is the whole idea for the solution 4. So if you want to increase the accuracy, you just increase this number. Okay, increase the 1024, increase, and you can get more accurate result. Okay. Okay, so this is this video. And next video, we will do the coding for the solution 4. And I'm Michael, and see you next time.